Hey guys, it's Jen. So it's time for another weekly grocery plan and meal haul. I said that totally wrong. It's time for another weekly grocery haul and meal plan. And this weekend is going to be pretty busy. Kira's birthday, we had a family party last night and she is having a sleepover tonight. So I need to get supplies for that. And then this week she also has 2 dress rehearsals and 2 dance recitals. And so I am not planning a ton of meals this week. We're just trying to eat convenience food that we already have in the freezer, and then I'm going to get some stuff for sandwiches. I'm going to make a big pot of soup. So not really the traditional meal plan, as you'll see when I show you that later. But right now I'm going to go into Walmart and I'll show you what I get. So I'm back from Walmart and let me show you what I got today. I spent around $330, but I got quite a few things that were not food and were a little bit pricey. So I first got some baby arugula. This is for a salad recipe I want to try. And then I got some romaine hearts. I like to cut these up and wash them myself. And then I also got some tomatoes for sandwiches and walking tacos tonight. I got some raspberries and some shredded lettuce also for our walking tacos. And then I got a red onion and some bananas. I got some potatoes, because I'm going to make mashed potatoes this week, along with some parsley. I usually like to get flat leaf parsley, but they didn't have any, so the curly is fine. And then I also got some carrots, baby carrots for snacking and a recipe. And then these are actually on clearance in the produce section. They're like these little veggie snack trays. So I got 2 of these. They have vegetables and ranch dressing, and then this one also has some cheese and some nuts in it. And then I got some celery for a couple recipes and a salad. And then I also got some basil and some mint. And then these Disney-themed foodles, they come with apples, cheese, and grapes. These are on clearance for $1.75. And they actually don't expire until the 14th. And so I picked up some of those for the kids. I thought those were a good deal. Just frozen food, I didn't get too much. I got some chocolate chip Eggo waffles and some Sour Patch popsicles for the kids. So I also got some Lunchables. These are the pepperoni and mozzarella ones. And then I also got some turkey pepperoni for snacks and lunches. And then I kind of hit the jackpot on cheese and meat on clearance. So they had this lunch meat that was on sale for $2.89. It's like a garlic chicken. And then they also had this Kerrygold grass-fed cheddar cheese that was half price. It was $2.47. And a lot of this stuff doesn't expire for quite a while, so I took advantage of that. These were also on clearance, these Gouda cheese snacks for $1.94. So I got those. And then I got some mozzarella cheese and some sliced cheddar cheese for sandwiches. And then I got some of the Sargento sharp cheddar cheese sticks for snacks. I got some bacon for breakfast tomorrow and some hot dogs. I think we're going to grill out tomorrow night. And then this was the last cheese that I got on clearance. This one was half price also. It's a Gouda cheese, and I'm going to make some Instant Pot egg bites with that. This also did not expire until September, so I thought that was a good deal. Adam likes this ham and cheese loaf, so I picked him up some of that for sandwiches. And then I also got some sour cream and some French onion dip for chips. We're out of Bloody Mary mix, so I picked up a replacement. This Zing Zang is our favorite brand of that. And then I also got some orange juice and some white cranberry strawberry juice. I normally get the Ocean Spray brand of this, but I saw the Walmart brand and it was cheaper, and so I thought we would try it. And then I also got just some champagne for mimosas if we want it tomorrow. I had to go to Hy-Vee to get this. They didn't have any at Walmart, but this is Italian farro. It's just a grain, and I have a salad recipe that I want to make with that, so I needed that. I got a dozen eggs, some baked beans for grilling tomorrow night, and then I also got some V Energy. This is the stuff that we like to drink for breakfast. It's really good. And then I got 2 6-packs of Mountain Dew and Pepsi. Kira has a sleepover tonight, so they'll probably drink that. I got some ditalini pasta for a recipe, as well as some chicken broth. We were out of Dijon mustard, so I picked up some of that. And then I also needed some dried basil. I thought I had some in my cupboard, but I did not. And then I'm almost out of onion powder, so I got some of that as well. And then I'm making a cake for Kira's birthday, and I was almost out of vanilla extract, so I got some of that. For recipes, I got beef broth, some dark red kidney beans, some diced tomatoes, and some cannellini beans. And then for lunches and snacks, I got some mandarin oranges. Kira's having a sleepover tonight, like I said, and so I thought we would try these Colonel Seasons popcorn flavorings. I got one in the white cheddar and one in the cheesy caramel corn. And then I also got some hard salami for snacks and sandwiches. I just got some plain flour tortillas. We have some leftover shredded chicken in the fridge, so I thought maybe we could have quesadillas this week if we needed a quick dinner. I got some ranch seasoning and then also some Pop Secret Homestyle microwave popcorn. This is our favorite brand of microwave popcorn. And then these are new, these Cheez-Its cheese pizza flavor. Connor really loves cheese pizza, and so I thought of him when I got these. They look actually really good. I got some plain Ruffles and then some Flamin' Hot Cheetos for Kira's sleepover tonight. And then I also got a twin pack of the classic suddenly salad for dinner tomorrow. I like to kind of jazz this up with a little bit of cubed cheddar cheese and some sliced olives and pepperoni. I also got some chewy strawberry yogurt Quaker granola bars, and then some candy for Kira's sleepover. I got some Starburst. This is the Summer Splash flavors. I've never seen those before. And then I also got some Sour Patch Kids and some Sweet Tart Ropes. I also got some Sara Lee Artisano buns for hamburgers tomorrow night, as well as some hot dog buns for hot dogs. And then Connor has to take a snack this week after one of his soccer games, and so I got a box of the individual Goldfish crackers. And then since we're having walking tacos tonight, I got a bag of little Doritos bags as well. Okay, I went to Hy-Vee, like I said, to get the farro because I couldn't find it at Walmart. And they have this wine on sample. It is the Arden Creek Nouveau. It's a semi-sweet red wine, and I sampled it and thought it was good, so I picked that up. For laundry, I got some of the Downy Infusions Amber Blossom. This is one of my favorite scents. And then I also got the dryer sheets to go with that. We are running short on hair ties and bobby pins, and so I picked up some of those. And then the powder I got last week, I did not care for it at all. It was more of like a powder foundation, and that's not really what I was looking for. This is a pressed powder. So I picked this up. This was only around $7. And then I also saw that Walmart has hard candy makeup now. And so I had been looking at this color correcting primer. I tend to have a red tone on my cheeks, and so I thought I would try this because it's supposed to color correct for that. And then I also got some of this keratin oil conditioner. And then I saw these at Walmart. I think they're fairly new. They're like these beauty boxes that are $10. And this one has in it a face mask, some setting spray, some highlighting powder, some, I'm not sure what that is. What is it? maybe like a blush or something, or a highlighter. And then this is also a highlighter cream. So it was only $10 and I thought I would try that. Both kids have some field trips coming up and they always say to bring a sack lunch, and so I needed some lunch bags. I couldn't find mine. And then I also saw this Cooks Illustrated brunch and breakfast recipes cookbook. It was around $12, I think, and I love their magazine, so I thought I would get this just to look through it. And then Kira's having a sleepover tonight and we're doing goodie bags, and so I just got 4 of these Yes to cucumber paper masks, along with 4 Burt's Bees chapstick to put in there. And then the only other thing I got from Walmart was some dog food, and then I also got a gift bag for Kira's gift. And then while I was out, I was also able to pick up my new cell phone at Verizon, so I was able to upgrade to an iPhone 8 Plus, so hopefully the camera on that will be awesome. And then it also has a wireless charger, so I got one of these as well. It's a Samsung brand, but the guy showed me it works with the iPhone, which is kind of neat. So now I will show you my meal plan. Okay, so tomorrow is Sunday, and Kira will be having friends over tonight, so they'll be here in the morning, so I'm planning on making pancakes and bacon. And then for dinner, we're just going to grill out burgers, hot dogs, pasta salad, beans, and chips. Monday, I have some chicken breast strips in the freezer. I get those from Costco. They're just Tyson breaded chicken breast strips. So I'm going to make those with mashed potatoes and green beans. And then Tuesday and Wednesday, Kira has dance dress rehearsal for her recital this week. And so basically we're just going to have sandwiches, chips, or whatever we can find in the fridge for those nights. On Thursday, I found a recipe for pasta e fagioli soup that I want to try, and I'm actually going to make it in the Instant Pot, and then with that we'll just have some bread and cheese and veggies and dip. And then Friday and Saturday, Kira also has a dance recital those nights, so I did not plan any dinner. We'll probably just either eat out or eat whatever we can out of the fridge. So that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. I post a grocery haul and meal plan every Friday, so I will see you in my next video. Bye.